I finished my work. मैंने अपना काम मुकम्मल किया. I finished my work. He found the keys. उसे चाबियां मिल गईं. He found the keys. She writes good stories. वो अच्छी कहानियां लिखती है. He writes good stories. He opened his book. उसने अपनी किताब खोली. He opened his book. I like cold coffee. मुझे ठंडी कॉफ़ी पसंद है. I like cold coffee. The car is expensive. गाड़ी महंगी है. The car is expensive. I like this place. मुझे ये जगह पसंद है. I like this place. He drives very fast. वो बहुत तेज चलाता है. He drives very fast. She sings very well. वो बहुत अच्छा गाती है. She sings very well. I enjoy your company. मुझे तुम्हारी सोबत अच्छी लगती है. I enjoy your company. I opened the box. मैंने डिब्बा खोला. I opened the box. He washed the car. उसने गाड़ी धोई. He washed the car. The kids are playing. बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. The kids are playing. We love our parents. हम अपने वालिदैन से मोहब्बत करते हैं. We love our parents. He fixed his bike. उसने अपनी साइकिल ठीक की. He fixed his bike. The light is bright. रोशनी तेज है. The light is bright. We enjoyed the trip. हमने सफ़र एंजॉय किया. We enjoyed the trip. She speaks 4 languages. वो 4 ज़बानें बोलती है. She speaks 4 languages.